Is it time to buy or sell the VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, and we are here to provide a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd of March, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.13. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF experienced a loss of -4.79%. This indicates an average loss of -0.68% per day since it was identified as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for VOO. The VOO ETF price decreased by 0.82% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, dropping from $515.51 to $511.28. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.97%, with a low of $507.53 and a high of $517.53. The price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days and is down by 6.44% during this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased alongside the ETF, which is generally a positive indication, as volume should align with the ETF's movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 1 million shares, resulting in a total of 10 million shares changing hands for around $5 billion and $40 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $453.90. Currently, the price is 9.33%, or $52.62, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. In today's market, the S&P 500, including the VOO ETF, faces significant pressure as investor sentiment remains sour over new tariffs announced by President Donald Trump. Reports indicate a potential correction of 10% as the index struggles near this milestone, with 73% of S&P 500 components already in correction territory. The latest tariffs, particularly a hefty 50% on Canadian steel and aluminum imports, are intensifying concerns about economic policy uncertainty. While some stocks, especially in China's market, are experiencing remarkable gains, with 3 companies surging over 50% year-to-date amid strong artificial intelligence investment, the S&P 500 is down over 4.6% year-to-date. In this context, the JOLTS job openings report did exceed expectations, signaling some resilience in the job market. However, it has not been enough to lift investor confidence. Looking at the long term, the recent market dynamics could suppress VOO's price if uncertainties around tariffs and economic policies linger. Nevertheless, analysts suggest there may be opportunities for rebounds in the short term as the market adjusts to these developments. Investors will need to stay vigilant, as both the tumultuous political landscape and economic indicators will heavily influence VOO's performance moving forward. The following signals have been identified for VOO. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, a general sell signal exists based on the relationship between these two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance can be expected at levels around $526.50 and $548.91. A breakout above either of these levels would signal a buying opportunity. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, and since then it has declined by approximately 9%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which lowers overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average, sell signal from 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. Currently, there is no support from aggregated volume beneath today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the exchange-traded fund may experience significant declines in the coming days. Typically, this ETF is traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $10, which is a change of 1.97% between its highest and lowest points. In the past week, the ETF has exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.07%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $538.94. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could represent a strategic point for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the ETF could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Exercise caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. This exchange-traded fund has received a negative evaluation, and a stop loss has not been established. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Currently, VOO displays several negative indicators and is experiencing a downward trend, leading us to anticipate poor performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative assessment of this ETF. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis reveals that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 12th of March, we expect VOO to open higher by 83 cents, beginning at a price of $512.11. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best wishes from all of us at StockInvest.